Students, we are on division Gymnospermae in plant kingdom, and we have completed the introduction and classification of gymnosperms into 4 classes. In this lesson, we will be doing the root, shoot and the leaves of the sporophyte. Sporophyte, roots, shoots and leaves. Let us look at the roots. Most have taproot system, and usually these taproot systems are known to be in associations with symbiotic partners. For instance, in Cycas, there is something called as coralloid roots. They are negatively geotropic roots which will grow against gravity, and they have a symbiotic partner inside them which is Anabina. Anabina is a nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. It will fix atmospheric nitrogen within these coralloid roots. How will the plant benefit? It will get the fixed nitrogen, just like how leguminous plants benefit from the symbiotic association with rhizobium bacteria. How does the cyanobacteria benefit? It will get shelter and steady supply of ATP. They are symbiotic associations with Anabina, a cyanobacteria which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. They are said to be negatively geotropic roots growing against gravity. Coralloid roots, important detail, which is a feature of the Cycas. In Pinus, which is another important gymnosperm, their roots are in symbiotic association with fungi. These ones were with cyanobacteria. Rhizobium is a bacteria. The roots of Pinus are in symbiotic association with fungi, and these fungal roots are able to spread across large distances and absorb a lot of water and nutrients and bring it back to the plant. Fungi is heterotrophic. The plant benefits by obtaining all these nutrients and water that the fungi brings, and the fungi benefits by obtaining the sugars and all that the plants produce, since it is heterotrophic. Such kind of roots are known as mycorrhizae. Myco means fungi, rhizae means roots, fungal roots. Mycorrhizae. In Pinus, they have mycorrhizae, symbiotic associations with fungi. Fungal hyphae spread and bring about a lot of water plus nutrients. Apparently, a Pinus seed does not germinate unless it is infested by these particular mycorrhizal fungi. So the young plant has mycorrhizal roots since its birth. Okay, this detail is there in NCERT, but later on in some other chapter. So these are the features of the sporophytic roots, true roots. Next we talk about the shoot. In Cycas, this is how the shoot is. It is unbranched shoot. It's stout and thick, and it is called as caudex. The caudex type of a shoot is also seen in coconut trees. Caudex is a stout unbranched stem that has a crown of leaves on top, and in the center it will have those cones and all. Next is Pinus. This is the tree. This is how the branching is. So this is said to be a branched stem, and it's an acropetal branching. Older branches are below and the younger branches are on top. So that was about the shoot. Next we talk about the leaves. In Ginkgo biloba, which is the maidenhair tree, the leaves are in this manner. This leaf is a simple leaf, it's bilobed and it's fan-shaped. There is a notch here that divides the lamina into 2 parts. However, the lamina is not deep enough to reach the petiole and make it into a compound leaf. It's still a simple leaf. In Cycas, there are pinnate leaves. Pinnate leaves are a type of compound leaf. This entire structure is one leaf. So this entire structure is actually one leaf. Okay, and these are the pinnules or leaflets. And this leaf is a compound leaf. Just like in coconut, the entire leaf is one leaf. They persist for few years only and then fall off. And when they fall off, they will keep some markings of their leaf bases onto the stem. So throughout the stem, if you look at the Cycas stem, you will find the persistent leaf bases. These leaves are known to have xerophytic adaptations and can withstand extremes of temperature, humidity and wind. They are known to have thick cuticle, sunken stomata, needle-like appearance. Cuticle is a wax-like substance that is there throughout the surface of the plant body to prevent transpirational loss of water. Sunken stomata. Stomata, you know what are stomata. These are pores for gaseous exchange. So their stomata are situated very deep within the leaf surface with a very tiny narrow opening on the outside. So that's called sunken stomata. And needle-like appearance of the leaves. The leaves are not broad. The lamina is not broad. They are very needle-shaped. What does this feature do? Less surface area will be exposed so that there is less loss of water. Decreases surface area for water loss. They are xerophytic adaptations. Xerophytic meaning less or no water. We will be looking at the leaves of Pinus when we are looking at the life cycle of Pinus. okay, which we will be doing next. So this is the true roots, true shoot and the true leaves of the sporophyte of the gymnosperms. Next we will be looking at how one gymnosperm sporophyte produces another one like itself. So we will be doing the life cycle of gymnosperms, and for that we will consider pinus tree.
महादेव के नाम पे सब्सक्राइब कर दें